close your eyes, and just picture what the fuck I'm saying, if you can. So, turn and ask your kinfolk how they meant to. I'm here, if it's anything that you need to heal from. I know it feel like red rum, I know it do, but it's honor. And the niggas stand sane amongst this bedlam, yeah, amongst this bedlam. So, turn and ask your kinfolk how they meant to. I'm here, if it's anything that you need to heal from. I know it feel like red rum, I know it do, but it's honor. And the niggas stand sane amongst this bedlam, yeah, amongst this bedlam. I was cautious at first for y'all to hear my raps. Niggas wouldn't understand. Always sat in the back, took notes, but never raised my hand down. Maybe this sound awful and I'm better off a fan. But at least I had the balls to try it. Ball to protect you want, but not everybody's drip is timeless. Conversations just bore me. My own thoughts absorb me. I'm sorry I went cast, a little bitch. I had to focus. You not important. I got a little time to say a lot. It hit different when I hear Planet Rock. Whom do Allah? They should have been pop banned by the top. Tormented by war allegories. Niggas into conspiracies late in their 40s. And the ones calling them crazy ain't no better. You'll soon taste Valhalla, my nigga, just never let up. So, just turn and ask your kinfolk how they meant to. I'm here, if it's anything that you trying to heal from. I know it feel like red rum, but it's honor. And a nigga stand sane amongst this bedlam, yeah. So just turn and ask your kinfolk how they meant to. I'm here, if it's anything that you need to heal from. I know this feel like red rum.